I'm going to show you this light elegant color as well, because polishing gel polish with a lighter color is actually can be a little bit more difficult than polishing with a darker color. With the darker colors, you want to make sure that you get them thin enough so that you don't get wrinkling, but with the lighter colors, sometimes they can get streaky. So I've already prepped this and I've already put our foundation on, so let's go ahead and see what happens using a lighter color. Again, wipe the brush all the way away, just a little bit on one side, and then we're gonna go all the way up to the cuticle as close as we can without getting on, and pull straight down. And you can see that with this lighter color, you get a little bit of streaking. Now, if you pay attention to this for just a few seconds, you'll notice that those streaks start to go away and that polish kind of levels itself out. So I don't want you to get worried when you start using your pastels or your whites, because they can look streaky at first. Now, some gel polishes, again, they're not all made the same. You're gonna have that really beautiful formula without the separation of the pigment from the gel. So the streaking is gonna be a lot less, and not only that, but as it's settling and as it's self-leveling, it's gonna go ahead and come together as one formula instead of being separate. Also, holding your brush parallel with the nail helps a lot too. So brushing up and down like this will sweep the product away from where you want it to be, and brushing parallel with the nail will help the product lay flat and be even. And let's go for the second coat.